Hey everyone, Tony here. Hope you're doing well. It is Sunday, March 11th. Hope your weekend is going well. Well, if you want to get $250,000, you can. Binance will give you that if you're able to identify the hackers who targeted their crypto exchange on March 7th. So as you guys know, there was some news about Binance being targeted. It looks like it was a coordinated large attack on Binance, but they actually did really well in addressing the issue, coming out and speaking about it right away and making sure anything that was disrupted was corrected. This is why I like Binance. They're really one of the best crypto exchanges. I use them personally. And, as of recently, they've been reducing withdrawal fees, and their CEO's outspoken on Twitter. He's usually addressing questions and issues and things along that line, which I really like. To have a lot of transparency. So let me give you guys some details here. So it's essentially the Binance Hacker Bounty. And I'll share a link to this to their blog on this so you guys can read the details. But it says, to ensure a safe crypto community, we can't simply play defense. We need to actively prevent any instances of hacking before they occur, as well as follow through after the fact. Even though the hacking attempt against Binance on March 7th was not successful, it was clear it was a large-scale organized effort. This needs to be addressed. Binance is offering $250,000 equivalent bounty to anyone who supplies that supplies information that leads to the legal arrest of the hackers involved in the attempt hacking incident on Binance on March 7, 2018. And they break out the details here. The first person to provide substantial information and so forth, they will get the $250,000 in BNB, so their token. Please supply detailed information to bounty@binance.com. So you have to email them at that email. And so I'll put a link so you guys can read through more details. But another important takeaway here, they say, furthermore, Binance has currently allocated the equivalent of $10 million USD in crypto reserves for the future bounty awards against illegal hacking attempts on Binance. This is big, guys, and I wish more cryptocurrency exchanges would do this. So instead of being reactive, they're being proactive. They're being aggressive, and that's the way you have to do it, because they're obviously under attack, and hacking is a big issue with cryptocurrencies. And we know that certain startup cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Uphold, are looking to have hacker insurance. So if anything ever happens, they take the insurance money and pay the users if anything gets stolen. But as I always say, never leave your cryptocurrencies on an exchange. That's why I use the Ledger Nano S, like I've said a million times in my videos. Obviously, if it's a couple $100s of crypto, I don't think you have to worry so much of that. But if you have thousands upon thousands of dollars in crypto on an exchange, man, I would be worried about that. I would get a hardware wallet. Like I said, the Ledger Nano S is a great hardware wallet, and you have peace of mind. So this is great from Binance. If you know any information, guys, then that'd be great if you can get that $250,000. And like I said, they have that $10 million reserve they built that for future hacking issues. So I think this is awesome. And I think even if you're not looking to, you don't get that $250,000, if you know something, you should share the information, because we don't want people to lose their crypto. Think about it. If you're someone, you have your crypto on Binance, maybe you just bought it. You didn't get to transfer it to your hardware wallet yet. And then it gets hacked and it gets lost and stolen, right? You lost your money. You lost your potential profit gains. And that would suck. So we don't want that to happen. We want the community to stay strong, and make sure the exchanges, that are selling cryptos are safe, and they're able to rely on us to, highlight or disclose anything about hacking or that we may know. So I think this is awesome. What do you guys think about this news? I think this is great. I think more cryptocurrency exchanges should do this. Offer free crypto, whatever it may be. If it's not dollar amounts, like we'll give you 10 Bitcoin or whatever. I'm just giving an example, or 50 Ethereum. So I think they should do this. This way, if someone really is able to highlight that, people would be more proactive and be incentivized to highlight the information if they know. So what do you guys think about this? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrencies. Talk to you guys later.